Hello everyone, let's create this beautiful cut crease eye look today, and I also show you some easy tricks to make your cut crease more precise and beautiful. My name is Sarish and I make videos on makeup tips and tricks, so let's get started. Prep your eyelid is very necessary before doing any eye makeup. This helps your eye makeup last longer and blend smoothly. Now let's start the eye look. I am taking a brown shade from the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. As you can see, it's one of my four most used shade. Now I am applying it on the outer corner of my eyes and blending it gently into the crease area. Use a light hand and slowly bring the color towards the inner corner for a soft transition, and please apply it just in the crease area. Next, I'm picking a deep brown shade, almost blackish brown, and applying it on the outer corner to add some depth. Then, using a small fluffy brush, I'm applying a black eyeshadow right on the outer edge, close to where eyeliner usually goes. This step gives the eye a soft, smoky effect. I have also placed a tape on the sides to keep the edges clean and sharp. Now blend the black shade smoothly along the wing area. Here comes the main trick for the cut crease. Now what I am doing next? I am using a concealer with a precise tip. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer and carefully carve out half of the crease in a C shape. Apply just a small amount of concealer to define the crease, then blend the outer edge where the concealer meets the brown eyeshadow so everything looks soft and seamless. Next, I am taking a dark pink shade from the Makeup Revolution palette and applying it over the black eyeshadow. This creates a beautiful pink and black transition that looks vibrant and unique. Blend it gently upward and along the crease line. For extra definition, you can also apply a thin brown eyeshadow line along the cut crease to make it stand out more. Right now, I am applying the same deep pink eyeshadow in the cut crease instead of the brown one, but you can use the brown one. It also creates a very sharp cut crease look. For this step, blending is very important, and I blend everything with a small round blending brush. Now I am adding a shimmer just where the concealer and the pink eyeshadow meets, and this step adding brightness and makes the eyes pop beautifully. Once the shimmer is applied, remove the tape and look how clean that edge is. For the lower lash line, I am using the same deep pink shade and blending it softly on the lower eyelid, and then I am curling my lashes, and after curling the lashes I am applying a white gel eyeliner on my lower waterline and extend it slightly outward for a lifted effect. Actually, this step is also added some open effect in your eyes because white eyeliner is mostly used for opening your eyes. It's time for applying mascara, and I am using my YSL Lash Clash mascara on both upper and lower lashes. After applying mascara, I like to curl my lashes again for extra volume and lift. By the way, this method called the double curling method. I always take too much time for applying mascara on my lower lashes because applying mascara is one of my favorite steps, so please ignore it if I take too much time. Next, I am taking an off-white shade from the same palette and I am applying on the area where I applied concealer. I am doing this step just for adding some brightness in this eye makeup look. And that's it, guys. This is the complete cut crease eye look. Just follow these steps and you can create any cut crease style you like. You can play with different shades and make it your own. And please don't forget to apply highlighter on your brow bones because it is also very important part. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. All the links are mentioned below. And guys, I will see you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye bye.